wait before you let that tear fall, before you decide that this is the end of your road. Just wait. I know it hurts. I know you gave it everything you had, and it still didn't work out. It feels like everyone else is moving forward, and you are stuck in the same place. You stare at that closed door and whisper, "Why me? Ya Allah." But what if that door didn't close to lock you out? What if it closed to protect you? What you call rejection, Allah calls redirection. What you call a loss, Allah is creating space. Wait, because the story isn't over yet. We see life like a single thread, but Allah sees the entire tapestry. He is Al-Hakim, the all-wise. He knows the why behind every no. Think about a seed. To become a tree, it must first be buried. In darkness, in silence, in pressure. It feels like it's being crushed. It feels like it's dying. But in reality, it's growing. Sometimes, what breaks you is exactly what builds you. Your struggle is not your destruction. It is your development. If Allah gave you everything you wanted, exactly when you wanted it, you would never discover the strength He placed inside you. He is Al-Latif, the most subtle, working in ways you cannot see, aligning hearts, shifting destinies, preparing something better than you ever imagined. Now, listen carefully. This is not just advice. This is your survival formula. Allah says in Surah Al-Baqarah, "O you who believe, seek help through patience and prayer." Did you hear that? Not through your strength, not through your overthinking, but through Sabr and Salah. These are not just acts, these are keys. Keys to His help. Keys to His peace. Allah continues, "Indeed, Allah is with the patient." When you are waiting, you are not waiting alone. The King of Kings is with you. So why do we lose hope? Because we trust what we see more than who is with us. Remember Prophet Yusuf alayhis salam. A well, slavery, a prison, step after step. It looked like everything was going wrong, but every delay was actually a design. Your well is not your grave. It's your road to the palace. So stop trying to control the wind. Start trusting the one who controls the storm. Let go of the how. Let go of the when. Allah is the best disposer of my affairs. Say, Ya Allah, I don't understand this path, but I trust you. The most beautiful parts of your life will be the ones Allah chose for you. One day, you will look back and smile, because you'll finally see why those other doors had to stay closed. The wait is not forever. Your moment is coming. If you trust Him, don't just scroll. Type, Ya Allah, I trust your plan. And share this with someone who is waiting in silence.